This is Encatha Gaming, and today we got our hands on another Wilds of Eldraine pre-release kit. We're going to open this up, see what kind of value we get, and maybe get a hint of what kind of a standard sealed deck we would be able to create if this had been our pack. If the good people of Edgewall come step to my beat, the Piper. This comes with 6 packs, promo card, dice. Hey, we got a 2. Man, we rolled low with these. I don't know if that's good or bad, right? We rolled a 1 on one of these, and we get some really good cards, so see? Hopeful victory. Rat out. Pick a coin. Bespoke battleground. And sure right. Bitter Jill. Never. Thunderous debut. Griffin Harry. Sugar Rush. Removal that draws a card. Love it. Mary Bots. Grand Ball Guest. Smoke. Storm Coward. Spectre of Mortality. Dark Tulish. Oh, that's a really pretty beast token, right? Very medieval art, right? Open this nightmare. Savior of the people. Voracious Vermin. And the Iron Crag. Ooh, fiery emancipation. Return triumphant. Family album. Dawn on triumphant. Spell stutter. Red Tooth Genealogist. Redvine Click. Two-Headed Hunter. Red Cap Gutter Dweller. Garrett's Uprising. Monster. Pack number 5. Hey, you're not dead yet. Curse the Werefox. Their fox. I don't mind if I cut it. Succumb to the call. Ooh, Decadent Dragon. So pretty. Grasp of Fate. Quick Study. Gingerbread. Ratcatcher Drain. Seems like it's been forever since the Wilds of Eldraine set, right? It hasn't been that long. Oh, that was right. Twining Twins and Intangible Virtue. The Witch's Vanity. 4. 9. Our cards. Werefox Bodyguard. Their Fox Bodyguard. the monster and hero. Okay, where did I put the? Ah, there it is. And the code for this pack, this pre-release kit, one per account per whatever, first come first serve. Hope you find value in everything you're opening. Happy holidays if you're watching this during the holiday season, and be well.